Did you ever have seen that there is a sand type material and put inside the water, but when it bring out of water, it is still the same dry? What happens if we put focus on the car tire, and what happens if we put the pressure on the hand grenade with some huge hydraulic pressures? So in today's video, we're gonna see some amazing YouTube experiments which we have done and the amazing results you can see. So the first one, hydrophobic material. You can see that if we jump in a hydrophobic material, this shoes is not getting wet and also not getting any type of damage. Look at these two amazing handsome guys. Well, only the black glasses are remaining black of the bad guy. Other all things remain clean. What happened here? Only the two-person one gets wet and also having a black colored water on site. So this is also result of hydrophobic material. Also we put on the brakes, the water, it cannot be absorbed inside. Get all this because of this hydrophobic material. If we put the glove in the water and bring it outside, you can see only one glove is having wetness and the other hydrophobic glove is having nothing without wetness. So this is amazing. What happened if we put it on the hammer? Actually, the hydrophobic makes a layer on everything. You have always seen some amazing flowers in the ponds. These round leaves never have the water absorption. You can see the cover leaves. All the water goes beyond it because the hydrophobic material is also on these leaves. Similarly, if we put the sand inside the water, it also got like a silicone, but when it bring out, it's same. What happened if we cut all the things with this big ox? Amazingly, let's start. First of all, the major fire extinguisher. Oh my god, look at the fire extinguisher has destroyed all the things. And we're gonna cut Arctic freezer, LCD, water cube. Then, oh my beloved car, oh my god, my car has been destroyed. Then comes magnetic slime. Magnetic slime is amazing. This magnetic slime is made with some iron particles and thermocol, also the slime. Then its shaft is prepared, and when it is placed on the hand, it got attracted with a lot of magnetic things. So what happened here is amazing results. Whenever we put the magnetic nearby, it got attractive. Now we come nearby our hydraulic presses. Look the hydraulic press and what happens to all the things with the pressure. What happens to the hammers by 130 ton pressure? The destruction is always there. But today we're gonna see some amazing candles. Look at the strings made by the candles. Now we put 500 ton pressure on the visiting cards. Oh my god, it has become a stone. But at the end it has gone broken. So now the hydraulic pressure is assessed a grenade, and the grenade got destroyed. But hydraulic pressure remains same. The matches are always used, but have you seen such a big match? Never. This big match is having amazing experiment. Burning material is placed on a wood stick and then on the rope. Now it is placed for ready for the burning. The fire is blown and look at the all the matchbox is destroyed and burning. Amazing experiment is coming next is star destruction, but first we're gonna see odds on our iPhone. Whenever the focus is on everything, the sun can burn anything. First it destroys the LCD of iPhone, then afterwards it got burned by a huge sun rays. You can see. So what happening here is the amazing experiments are going on. Also, you can see if we put on that tire, it got burned by the focus. What happened if we put different toys in the cutting machine? The Tojinka, the iPhone got destroyed. Look at this amazing cornstarch versus strain experiment. The cornstarch, this amazing liquid, when treated with the love and humanity, it is very soft. But when you treat it with the hardness, it's very, very hard. Look at the strength of this. It looks like a wall. But this amazing material, when we put it on the train rail, what happens here? Let's see. Oh my god, it has got destroyed.